through how to fill out your section C if you forgot to take screenshots as you're working. So first things first, I'd get rid of the origin just so it doesn't distract you. And I would actually take this little bar down here, this is your history, and I would drag it all the way back. This is going to allow you to show like not only what you first imported, but also like some of the original work that you did. So in here, if you right click any of these, that's 2-finger click, edit any of these, it'll show you sort of like where you started. And then if you hit Shift Command 4, you can take screenshots along the way, and this should auto-populate to your desktop. I'm just going to scroll this forward. I'm going to show the canvas, and this would be like the natural next step. And what you're going to want to do is just put these into your journal. There's already a section. You just want to annotate saying like what you did in each one. So in this one, I went in and I made these forms and I edited forms. So I might say I edited the head first, and then I edited the beak next. And then I'm going to come down and I'm going to show the sketches that I have. So this sketch, for example, we'll want to have that as a separate thing because that is going to be a path. And then I made a path right here, a plane on a path. So I want to show that as well. Any of them that you're unsure of, just remember you can always right click and kind of edit the feature. It'll tell you what it's doing. So it's like path tangent, and it tells me that right there. The next thing I did was I drew a circle. Here, let's scroll back. I drew a circle right there, so I might want to highlight that just so it comes out easier. And then I'll just show a sweep command here, and I'll highlight that. And so as I'm organizing this, it should show me pretty clearly like what my step-by-step instructions are for where I make these things. And once you're done with that, just remember to annotate it and put it in section C. Don't forget to upload your STL just in case. Let's do a quick refresh. You're going to go to export right here. Instead of this file format, just select STL and export, and you'll be all set.